Right, let's look at day 5, number 2. Right, so we're talking about the bowling team, and the average score was 180. Right, then there are 3 people, we already know the score, 190, and 200, and 210. Right, and it also says that no team member scored less than 165. So everyone has to have a score bigger than 165. And then none of the remaining team members scored above 170. So you can see that 170 is the highest score. All right. Then, what is the maximum number of members who could be on his Miguel's teams? All right, so let's look at the total score of everyone. So total score. Right? And let's say X is the number of members. All right. All right. So total score is of course 180 times X. Average times the number of members would give you the total score. And and also we already know the 3 scores. 190 plus 200 plus 210 is 600. So the total score of the first 3 people is 600. And we know that everyone scored less than or greater than or equal to 165. So it's going to be, let's say 165 is the lowest possible score times X minus 3 remaining people, right? So we know that this is it has to be less than or equal to 180X, and highest possible point is going to be 600. That's 3 people plus, right? And nobody scored above 170. So 170 is the highest possible score for the remaining people. So times X minus 3. Right? So we just have to solve for X by, let's look at the first inequality right here. All right, so multiply out. So 600 plus 165X and minus 3 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 6 is 18. Oh, sorry, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18, so it's 19, and 3 times 1 is 3, so 495. All right, is less than or equal to 180. Right? Then we can simplify this by, let's see. All right, so you can combine 600 minus 495 would be 105. Then I'm going to actually subtract 165x from both sides to get, oh, I forgot x there, to get 15x, right? Then divided through by 3, 15, will get you, let's see, 7. And x. So x has to be greater than or equal to 7. All right. Then we look at the highest possible score. Then you can see that we're going to get, so we're going to look at this inequality right here. Right. So it's going to be 180 x is less than or equal to 600 plus 170x minus, let's see, 0, 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 1 is 3, so it's 3 plus 2 is 5. Right, so you can simplify this by, let's see, first I'm going to subtract 170x from both sides to get 10x is less than or equal to, right? So that's gone, and 600 minus 510 is 90, right? So you can divide through by 10 to get the x is less than or equal to 9. All right, so we know that x has to be greater than or equal to 7 or less than or equal to 9, right? So since we're looking for the let's say maximum number of members, so it looks like a 9 is the highest number, so answer is 9 members. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.